In this tutorial, we will show you how to enable the Submit button only after learners interact with sequence drag-and-drop items using JavaScript in Articulate Storyline 360. Start by opening your project in Storyline 360 and make sure your slide includes a sequence drag-and-drop interaction. Here, we have 3 draggable items. Next, let's add a custom Submit button. Label it Submit and place it where you want on the slide. Select the Submit button and change its state to disabled. Preview the slide to confirm it cannot be clicked at the start. Now create a new variable. We will call it Submit Enabled. This variable will control when the Submit button becomes active. Add a trigger to execute JavaScript when the timeline starts on this slide. In the JavaScript, include the Submit Enabled variable in the setVariable class so Storyline can recognize when the variable updates. Create another trigger. Set it to change the Submit button's state to normal when the variable changes, but only if Submit Enabled is true. Now let's test the course in preview. When the slide starts, the Submit button is disabled. After dragging an item to its target, the Submit button becomes enabled. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.